Whoa! Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. We've got a brand new gaming headset in the house and it's been quite some time, right? We haven't covered any gaming headset, so I'm like quite excited to talk about this particular model. And this one is actually pretty interesting, guys. It's a wireless gaming headset from Cosmic Byte. It's a new model from the brand called Chronos and actually packs some pretty interesting features. So this model actually supports like Dolby Atmos, 7.1 surround sound is also there, and not only that, it's got like a new 5.8 GHz wireless USB dongle that offers like ultra low latency, guys, of only around like 20 millisecond, and it's also like multi-platform compatible. You can use it on your PC, laptop, gaming consoles, and also your smartphones. So this is what we'll be checking out in this video. Let's get started. So a new gaming headset from Cosmic Byte comes in this sort of box packaging. Model is Chronos, and as I've told you, it's a wireless gaming headset. And main highlight of this model is it's got Dolby Atmos support and also has 7.1 surround sound effect for especially gaming related effects. And on the front side, you've got all of its main highlights and features mentioned. So this particular headset comes with like 50 high fidelity dynamic drivers, offers like ultra low latency, only 20 milliseconds with a 5.8 GHz wireless dongle, and is like multi-platform compatible. You can use it on your PC, gaming consoles like PS4, PS5, Xbox, and also on your smartphones, guys. Now that is what I'm talking about. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. So in the package, you get a free carry case for the headset. Very nice and good quality as well. Looks like a hard shell case with a fabric sort of finish, and love the black and yellow color combination. Let me just open it and show you. Okay, we've got a couple of accessories. There's a user manual, make sure to read that. Couple of cables like a Type-C to Type-A cable, 3.5mm to 3.5mm aux cable is also there. And this is your main wireless USB dongle, guys, your receiver. And lastly, in the package, you get a microphone, wind cut foam as well. That's it. Now let's have a look at the headset. Oh boy, look at this headset, guys. Brand new Chronos wireless gaming headset from Cosmic Byte, and it's available only in this one color, I believe, which is black and yellow, and looks absolutely beautiful, guys. Look at this. Definitely gives you that gaming sort of sporty vibe, and love the color scheme. To be honest, it kind of looks like a race car color scheme, black and yellow Lamborghini. That is what it's reminding me of. But from my initial impressions, it does feel slightly a bit large, and is also slightly heavier also. Around 250 grams is what I can say. Anyways, if you talk about build quality, as I've told you guys, ear cups look like material is made of mix between metal and polycarbonate. You've got like a metallic grill over here with a bit of RGB lighting as well. I'll get to show you that in a moment. And you've got some controls and ports on both the ear cups. So on the left ear cup, right, you've got like a volume control dial for adjustment, volume adjustment. There's a pull-up microphone as well. You can easily hide it if you don't need it. Very convenient and easy to use. And we'll get to know about the microphone quality in a moment. And there's nothing much over here, guys. On the other ear cup, you've got a Type-C port for charging. And that is it. Now having a look at the headband. As you can see, headband has a metallic frame on the inside, painted in this beautiful orangish gold yellowish color, that is what I can say, and has the Cosmic Byte branding at the top. Entire thing is covered in like a protein leather finishing and gives you that rich sort of feel, guys. Ear cups also feel very fluffy and cushiony, and looks like they're made of memory foam material, guys. Very nice and soft. And we'll be talking about the comfort anyhow in a moment, right? So that is it, our complete overview on the design and build quality part. So what I'll do is I'll power it on, use it for some time, and then be back to share my experience on this headset. Alright, I've been using this headset for quite some time, and there's a lot I have to talk about, so make sure to watch this video till the end. First off, let me tell you about the comfort. Initially, I was a bit skeptical because headset was slightly on the heavier side, right? Because of the metal frame and all, but once you put it on, that was not the case. Chronos felt super comfortable while wearing. The brand did a great job on the padding and cushioning. I could easily go on for like couple of hours without getting tired. The only thing I felt is, since they're made of like a protein leather material, they might get hot and sweaty in summer. That is, again, we'll have to see how it works in summer, so this is something you'll have to keep in mind. Anyways, noise isolation is also top class on this headset. Now talking about the connectivity part, as I've told you, they're multi-platform compatible. Works via 5.8 GHz USB dongle and supports both Type-C and Type-A devices. It's compatible with your smartphones, gaming consoles, PC, laptop, all of these devices, guys. Just like simple plug and play. For the consoles though, you'll have to connect it to their respective controllers via 3.5mm headphone jack. There was no Bluetooth support though, kinda bummer I felt on this particular headset. So moving on, let me tell you about the sound quality. Cosmic Bytes Chronos features 50 hi-fi drivers and support Dolby Atmos as well. And to be honest, audio quality was pretty good on this headset. Mids felt crisp and clear, vocal clarity was nice, and either it be like entertainment, gaming, or any media content, you can easily understand all the dialogues in the track. It wasn't muddy at all. High frequency performance was also good. It's got a frequency response range from 20 Hz to 20 kHz and was producing a smooth and pleasing treble. Now coming to the bass, wow, this was the main highlight thanks to those big 50 drivers. It is producing deep and punchy bass, and especially sounds like gun firings or bomb blastings felt quite natural and had a good impact over here. On the overall, it was doing a good job and I was quite satisfied with the results. Not to miss out, as I've told you, it also supports Dolby Atmos for immersive gaming experience, right? For this, you'll need to install Dolby Access app from Windows Store and simply connect the headset to activate the license, and that is it. Here you've got like plenty of EQ customizations available to tune the audio as per your taste. I did play a couple of games as well with the headset, and that too with Dolby Atmos enabled, and during my usage I felt the sound stage was wide and stereo separation also good. You could easily identify the enemy movements also by their footstep directions or either by their gun firing sounds. Overall, quite satisfactory gaming experience. So the whole time I've been using the headset via 5.8 GHz dongle only, and I didn't face any sorts of lags or stutters guys while gaming. It's got a very low latency of only around like 20 milliseconds and performance was top notch. Let's also quickly do a microphone test on this headset. So Chronos actually has like a pull-up microphone, and usually it's like hidden in the body, but whenever you need it, right, you just need to take it out like this and there you go, it starts working. And good thing is you also have like a microphone on off switch as well available on the headset. And here's how the microphone on it sounds like. Hello, check 1 2 3. We're right now testing the microphone quality on Cosmic Bytes Chronos headset. Do let me know what do you think about this microphone quality in the comment section down below. We are almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life also. Battery life on this headset was excellent. If you use the headset at 75% volume, you can expect around 20 hours of battery life per charge. So even if you do like 2 hours of gaming every day, you can go on non-stop for around like 9 to 10 days without the need to charge it. So that is it, our video on Cosmic Bytes new Chronos gaming headset. Pretty good wireless gaming headset guys. Good build quality, great comfort and cushioning, good sound performance with Dolby Atmos support and excellent battery life I can say. But here are a few things I faced during my usage. First thing is USB dongle design could have been better. Since it had like a T-shaped design, the dongle was actually blocking the other nearby ports on your PC or laptop. Second is there is no Bluetooth connectivity available despite the premium price tag. And lastly, I wish the headset had a little bit of more RGB lighting and customizations. It only has like a simple yellow lighting available. The headset costs around 6,499 rupees. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed the video and got to know everything about this model. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.